Hey, welcome to the show. Take a look at this tablecloth and sequins right here. This is perfect for any type of birthday party, anniversary, a wedding. Here's a close look at what you're going to get. This is the type of fabric you're going to get. It's printed on one side, fits very long tables. This is a long table, and let's take a look at this sequence right here. Has all kinds of cool little shiny things in it. I think you're going to be really happy with it. It's very long. You can have this drape over the side if you want to, just like that. Runs all the way down the table, and you even if you had a longer table, you have plenty of room here. And this is a long table that we have in our living room. But this is so cool for any type of party. I think you're going to be really happy with it. The company has great customer support, some cool products. You got to check it out. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. I hope you have a great day. Have a good party out there, and we'll talk to you later. Adios. Goodbye.